welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a flat tour of my London flat. If you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every Monday at 6 and I'm doing Friday at 6 as well, so 2 videos a week, which is exciting, and means I'm really pushing it on the content. We want to get to 100k by the end of the year. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. That's the saying, isn't it? So today I'm going to film a tour of my London flat. So I have been renting this flat with my best friend Emily we've been here for about 6 months now. And I kind of just wanted to show you around a little bit, tell you a little bit about how much we pay for it, because I think it's quite useful if you're thinking of like moving to London or just looking to rent in London in general. A few quick things about our flat. So we pay £1,500 a month for this flat. It's a 2-bedroom flat close to the station and we live in southwest London. And we're on the Northern Line, so we're close to the tube on the Northern Line, which mattered before but probably doesn't matter now. Emily doesn't commute into central London for work and I don't commute at all for work, so yeah, so not that we need to be near the tube station, but it is good to be, and we are also super walking distance to our high street, which has like food shops and coffee shops and everything you could possibly need, bars, restaurants, well, for when we are life's a little bit more normal again. So this flat's got one bigger bedroom, which is Emily's, and one smaller bedroom, which is the one I'm in now. So I would say it's not like, we're not like even in terms of bedroom size, but then I have a like office space in the living room as well, which you will see in the tour. Our rent isn't bills included, so we pay out all our bills on top of that. Yeah, I feel like that's really everything you'd need to know for the start of the video, so let me show you the flat. We had a couple of like things that were like a bit non-negotiable to us when we were looking. If you've ever flat hunted in London, you'll know it's shit. There is so much crap property out there that just it becomes quite painful looking, and when we walked into this flat, we just, I think, both knew instantly. We looked at each other like, this is our flat. And we haggled the price a bit. We were really lucky that when we were moving, it was just as we were coming out of lockdown 1 here in London, and we managed to haggle the price down for this flat because it was is it a renter's market or something at that point, because there were a lot of flats on the market, but a lot of crap flats. This one, beautiful. So our non-negotiables were obviously 2 bedrooms. We wanted a big living room area because we wanted it to be really sociable. We wanted this flat to be somewhere that we can have our friends over a lot, like obviously not now, but like in the future, we can have our friends over a lot. It's a really social space, and we wanted a garden as well, because we, again, kind of for socialising and just to have that outdoor space for if we do have another summer of lockdown, which looks like we're not, so that's good, but it was good for last year as well. And yeah, let me take you on the flat tour. I think I've rambled quite enough. Hit subscribe, like the video throughout if you're enjoying, and leave a comment if you've got any other questions about our flat, and let's get touring. Let me show you around our flat. 2 videos today and it's getting very confusing which one is which, but that's okay. So I'm going to start off, I'm in the kitchen. Look at the lighting in here, it's lovely. It is about, yeah, it's 4 o'clock now, so the sun's just going down here in London. I wouldn't say it's going down, but it's not set yet. Oh, I'm so shiny. That's okay. So yeah, this is our kitchen. It is at the back of the house and the bathroom leads off the kitchen, which did weird me out at first, but I'm now used to it. But at first I was very weirded out by the fact that the bathroom leads off the kitchen. But the kitchen is quite big. Me and Emily still manage to bump into each other when we're in here, but it is a big kitchen, like I can twirl all the way around. In here, all of the, like, what would you call them, the white, they like the white appliances or something, are kind of underneath down here. So we've got the freezer here, the fridge over here, and they're just like the half sized ones, and then we have a washing machine but no dishwasher. We did have a microwave as well that came with the flat, but otherwise this flat was, like half, like was semi-furnished, I guess. So we've got like a table in here which wasn't ours, as well as the microwave and the kettle that weren't ours in here. So yeah, semi-furnished. I'll show you, do a little like whiz, I mean I hopefully was overlaying, but I will show you a little whiz round as well. And one big thing I love about this flat is there's so much storage. Like that's like all our cereal and stuff and our pots and pans. All of this is big storage. Then yeah, that's the fridge. All of up here, so this is like all our glasses. But yeah, loads of storage. Up there's more storage, we've barely got anything in there except for the champagne, like Prosecco glasses. Our snacks cupboard. I've got something on the slow cooker. Oh, fogged up. But yeah, there is so much storage, and this is the freezer. And then the oven is one of the double ovens as well. So we've got the 2 sections and gas hob. On to the bathroom. So I love this bathroom. The whole flat's a good size, but we have a bath and a shower. Not that we'd probably ever be in here at the same time having a bath and a shower, but I love that we have a bath. Emily probably uses it more than I do, but like just having it is just so nice. Like it's so nice just to have a bath, and that was a real plus of this flat for us. Again in here we've got so much storage. Our landlady, when we came to look around, said she used to keep her towels in here, but I love it for like all of our skincare and like tan and like hair stuff and all that kind of thing lives in here. And a big plant which is thriving in here. We've got one of those heated like towel racks as well, and then more storage behind here, which is just all our girly stuff. So yeah, great room, and we keep our wash basket in here as well. Me and Emily are like best mates, we like share a wash basket and all that kind of thing. I don't want to like clean the flat. Well, I mean our flat is pretty clean, but like make the flat look beautiful to film this video. I kind of want it to be quite like realistic of like how we use this space. I don't think I've said that yet in this video, but I did. I wanted that. I wanted it to be realistic. And just an FYI, it's a is it called a masonette? So it's a house, but it's split into 2 flats. So we've got the upstairs flat, and then our neighbours are downstairs, but it's at one point in its life probably would have been a house, but we've got the upstairs flat. Come down here, and that's the front door to the house. And well, to our flat, and we've got like shoes down there and our coats and stuff, and then yeah, you go down these stairs to get there. And then here is my room. So this is my bedroom. I have a little wardrobe, a chest of drawers. What would you call this, a chest of drawers? Yeah. Then basically my whole room is IKEA. A little stand over there, a little rail here, my bed and my little side table. This room is small, but I adore this space. Like this, I don't know, I absolutely love this bedroom. It makes me so happy being in it. And I think I've like got everything in here in like a way that just fits. Like it just fits. Like I have the perfect amount of stuff for this room. I've obviously got like stuff under my bed, like I've got all my handbags, my summer clothes and summer shoes and stuff under my bed. So that's an upcoming video. I'm going to be doing my wardrobe swap. I'm thinking like beginning of April maybe, so pretty soon. I'm also going to be doing a video, if you're interested, about how much I spend just living in London in general, because I thought that would be quite interesting too. But yeah, let me show you around my room a little bit. And yeah, in terms of what came with the flat, this room was unfurnished bar this wardrobe, which is actually a great wardrobe. It is double leveled, so it's got all the bottoms up here, down here, all the tops up here, and then it's got a little bit that I can't reach that I've just got some summer shoes in up there. So yeah, that I actually didn't really want this at first, but it turns out it's an absolutely banging wardrobe, and it's got this massive mirror on as well. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should do if you don't, it's Ellen's in Wonderland, I take a lot of pictures in this mirror. Great bedroom. As I mentioned previously, our flat has loads of great storage. So we've got this like cupboard here, which has got like our Hoover in. So we had one Hoover that came with the flat, but no, we didn't. I think it's borrowed from Emily's family. Then one Hoover that's borrowed from Laura's, my sister's flat, because they had a Hoover when they moved in, and they've got a fancy Hoover basically. And this is where we keep our towels, our bedding, and some just crap up there that I can't reach, but Emily can. And then in this cupboard as well, I've got a whole shelf which is like dedicated to my Depop stuff. If you want to check out my Depop, it's linked down below. Which is great as well, because obviously I don't have the room in my bedroom for that. This is Emily's room, but I I'm not going to show you her room because it's her room, but it's just a nice big room. It's got a fireplace in, light and airy, beautiful bedroom. But yeah, her bedroom. She doesn't need a broadcast on the internet. And here's our living room. I can quite easily confirm this is my favourite room in the house. So this is our living room. We've got a big fireplace. We've got 2 sofas. And this room came pretty much fully furnished. The TV and TV stand is Emily's. And all the stuff on the shelving units is ours. But other than that, it came with like a dining table and chairs. Yeah, 2 sofas. The side tables and the coffee table as well, and it's all beautiful furniture. Like, we are very lucky that our landlady lived in this flat before us, so she just took like beautiful care of it. The only area which is our furniture is my like office area, which is just like a corner of the room, which is my office. And I obviously need this space because I work exclusively from home, so yeah. It's a really great room. We like dry our clothes over here, and yeah, it's just a really great room. I obviously, yeah, have a lot of stuff around which is for work, and that's because we don't have an office at the moment, and yeah, I need this space, so yeah. We also have a garden which leads down from the kitchen. It's probably like, it's relatively, come on, focus. There we go. It's not big, but it's big enough that we could, so it leads down there, big enough that we can fit a bunch of us in it when we're allowed to, obviously. So yeah, it's a really great addition to the flat. So you have to go down some like steepish stairs, and you get into our garden as well, which is, yeah, brilliant. But I won't take you out there because it's chilly today, but we do have a garden space as well, which is brilliant. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and if you want to know how much I spend in a month just living in London in general, then do let me know, because I'm really thinking about, sorry, you're a bit dirty. I'm thinking about making that video. I'm putting together like a bit of a savings plan Google Doc as well. So I'm thinking once I've set that up, I'll upload it to Google Docs and you can download it as well. So subscribe if you want to see that video and want to be able to download my savings plan. And yeah, I will catch up with you guys soon and see you in the next one every Monday and Friday at 6 PM. Bye.